Hello, students. Let's begin with the new topic today. In the previous topic, we had studied how to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. The length of all the three sides of a triangle was given in the question, and according to those lengths, we had drawn the actual triangle. But before drawing the actual triangle, what we have to remember? We have to remember that always we should draw a rough figure first, and then we should start drawing the actual triangle. Now, also we had solved practice set 2. Draw the triangles with measures given below. In that we had taken two examples, first one and second one, and remaining I had given you homework. Now today we are going to begin with the new topic, to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. दो साइड ट्राइंगल की दी रहेगी क्वेश्चन में, एंड एक एंगल मेजर दिया रहेगा, पर वो एंगल कौन सा रहेगा? इंक्लूडेड बाय देम. देम मतलब ये जो दो साइड्स है जिनकी मेजरमेंट दी है उनके बीच वाला एंगल, इंक्लूडेड इन द टू साइड्स. So first we will draw a rough figure. So rough figure, I told you that you can use scale also or you can do directly also. So first thing what we should remember is that first we have to draw the base, and generally we select the bigger side as the base. So suppose this is, without measuring we will draw, suppose this is PQ, it is 5.5 centimeter. Then what is given? PR means P से लेकर R तक. बट बिफोर दैट व्हाट इज गिवन? एंगल P 50 डिग्री. P मतलब यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, 50 डिग्री मीन्स एक्यूट एंगल, छोटा एंगल रहेगा 50 डिग्री. सो सपोज दिस इज 50 डिग्री एंगल P, एंड PR, suppose PR is 5 centimeter. So this is our required triangle, rough figure of the required triangle. So in this what we have seen, first we have to draw a base, then we have to draw the angle included by them. समझा? ये दो साइड्स का मेजरमेंट दिया है, इनके बीच वाला एंगल, इसको बोलते हैं इंक्लूडेड एंगल बिटवीन द टू साइड्स. अगर कोई और एंगल दिया है तो हम ये ट्राइंगल नहीं बना सकते हैं. So let's begin with the actual process. First take a scale and draw the base. Base मतलब जिसके ऊपर ट्राइंगल खड़ा होता है. So what is the base? 5.5. So this is 5. 5 के आगे 5 lines means 5.5. Give a dot and give a dot at 0. Then join these two dots, 0 and 5.5. Immediately give it a name PQ and write down the measurement 5.5 centimeter. Then we will take a protractor and we will draw angle P which is 50 degree. See here, angle P 50 degree. So what we will do, we will keep on P, then we will keep the base of the protractor on our segment, and which 0 we will take? This 0 or this 0? Definitely this 0, because our segment is on right side of the origin. इसको origin बोलते हैं, और ये पॉइंट के राइट में हमारी सेगमेंट है ना, तो 0 भी हम राइट वाला ही लेंगे. और इस 0 से फिर हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. दिस इज अवर 50 डिग्री. So give here a point. So after this we will join point P and this 50 degree point. Just join it. This is your ray. This is your 50 degree angle. This much understood. First draw the base, then from P draw 50 degree angle. Then what we have to draw? PR which is 5 centimeter. तो हम क्या करेंगे? कंपास लेंगे. In the compass we will take a distance of 5 centimeter. How to take 5 centimeter distance? Here it is 0, here it is 5. So Mark 2 points. Keep your compass on the 2 points and take a distance of 5 centimeters. See this much. Now 5 सेंटीमीटर पी से है ना, पी से स्टार्ट होके 5 सेंटीमीटर आगे आर है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल कीप द कंपास ऑन पी एंड वी विल ड्रॉ एन आर्क ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो पी से आगे 5 सेंटीमीटर पे हमने एक आर्क बनाया. अब यहाँ पे एक डॉट देंगे. ये आर्क और ये रे, इन दोनों के इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट पे एक डॉट बनाएंगे. दिस डॉट इज अवर पॉइंट आर. और फिर हम क्यू आर को ज्वाइन करेंगे. वी विल ज्वाइन क्यू एंड आर. सो दिस इज अवर रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल. दिस इज अवर रिक्वायर्ड triangle. PR is 5 centimeter. So here we will write down 5 centimeter compulsory. Don't rub this ray. इस ray को rub नहीं करना है. It is a part of our construction. Now we will solve one example from practice set 3. So write down practice set 3. First example. The first example in practice set 3 is in triangle MAT, length MA is 5.2 centimeter, measure angle A 80 degree, AT length 6 centimeter. So first we will draw a rough figure. Length MA equal to 5.2 centimeter, measure angle A 80 degree, length 86 centimeter. So first what we will draw? We will draw a rough figure. So what I told you, always take a bigger side as base. So suppose this is 86 centimeter. अब A से एंगल बन रहा है 80 डिग्री. तो ये 50 डिग्री इतना रहता है, इतना छोटा रहता है. तो 80 इससे थोड़ा बड़ा रहेगा. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक लाइक दिस 80 डिग्री and this will be 5.2 centimeter and join this. Okay, so MA is given 5.2 centimeter. This line we will do it little bit straight. Okay, MA is given 5.2 but MA and AM both are same thing. So A से लेकर M तक होगा आपका 5.2 centimeter. Now we will do the actual construction. First step, draw 86 centimeter. So keep your scale. This is 6, give a dot. This is 0, give a dot and join it. डॉट देने से कभी मिस्टेक नहीं होती है. सो ऑलवेज मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ गिविंग डॉट्स फर्स्ट. This is 86 centimeter. Then from A, how much angle we need to draw? 80 degree. So keep your protractor. This is the origin. This is called the origin of the protractor or the center point. Keep the center on our vertex, that is point A. And again we will take right side 0 and start counting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here it is 80. So give a dot over here. Now join the point A and this dot and we will give here a ray. We will give here a ray. Now on this ray we have to take a distance of 5.2 centimeter. So we will keep our scale on one side. This is 0. Give here a dot. Okay. Now 5.2. This is 5. So 2 points after that. 1, 2. So here it is 5.2. Now take your compass. Keep it on the 2 dots which are ready and adjust it. This is 1 dot and this is second dot. सो दिस इज़ योर डिस्टेंस 5.2. कहाँ से 5.2 लेना है? ए के ऊपर रख के. ए से एम तक का डिस्टेंस 5.2 है. ए एम. सो ए पर रखेंगे कंपास and we will mark an arc of 5.2. Now give here a dot. इस रे के और इस आर्क के पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन पे देंगे हम एक डॉट एंड वी विल जॉइन. दिस डॉट विल बी योर पॉइंट M. So we will join M and T. M and T. So write down here, this is angle A which is 80 degree and AM or MA is 5.2 centimeter. Understood? This was the first question of your practice set 3 which you have to write in notebook. And see, this is the second question which is homework. Second question is homework. NT and TS both are 5 centimeter. So you can take one as a base. So suppose if you take TS base लेंगे तो TS होगा आपका 5 सेंटीमीटर. T से एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे 40 डिग्री और यही होगा आपका पॉइंट N और NT आपका है 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो T से 5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क देख के इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करना है. सो सेकेंड वन इज़ योर होमवर्क. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आई विल टीच यू in the next lecture. Understood? Thank you.